In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively install a plugin for After Effects. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you have a smooth installation process without any hitches. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, just getting acquainted with the wonders of After Effects, this guide will be invaluable. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is download the plugin. Head over to the vendor's website where you purchased or found the plugin. Here, it's crucial to ensure that the version of the plugin you're about to download matches the version of After Effects you have installed on your computer. Compatibility is key, and getting this part right from the get-go will save you a lot of trouble down the line. Once you've got that squared away and the plugin has successfully downloaded, the next step is to close After Effects if it's currently open. This is an important step as it helps avoid any conflicts during the installation process. By having the application closed, you ensure that all changes can take effect without issues. Next up, you'll want to locate the installer file you downloaded. It's usually in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Now go ahead and run the installer. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to make some choices. If the installer asks you to select the version of After Effects you're using, make sure you pick the correct one. Likewise, when it comes to choosing a destination folder, most installers will automatically default to the appropriate installation directory. However, if prompted, double-check to make sure it's the right path, though it's typically a straightforward automated process. After the installation process has been completed, it's time to fire up After Effects to confirm that everything is in place. Upon opening the application, navigate to the Effects menu where your newly installed plugin should now appear. If you're unsure which specific menu to look under, check any documentation that came with the plugin, as each one can categorize itself a little differently depending on its function or developer specifications. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have your new plugin up and running in After Effects, ready for you to start exploring and integrating into your projects. If it doesn't appear as expected, try restarting After Effects once more or checking that you selected the correct version during installation. Installing plugins can greatly enhance your productivity and open up a wealth of creative possibilities in your projects, so don't hesitate to experiment and take full advantage of these powerful tools. Happy editing, B.